Hey guys, welcome back to ROLEKS channel, and today guys I'm going to be showing you all how to change the size of your apps. So guys, I've actually tried this on the Nokia phone, but please, if it works on iOS devices or other OS devices, please notify me in the comments below. So guys, yeah, so let's head on. Guys, we go to settings. Okay, it's loaded. Let's just wait for it to load a bit. So guys, there is two ways about this. Firstly, some people, like, you have to go to your about phone. I'm coming, let it load. Then you go down, and this build number, you have to click it 7 times. But some people, when they click it, as you can see, you're already a developer. So guys, if you are not a developer, please click this thing 7 times. But if you already are, just don't bother about this part. So guys, you go to your system, then you click on advanced. Then as you can see, developer options, you click on it. Then guys, you just scroll down to the last option, and as you can see, icon shape. Here too, you can change the font of your device and the color of your device, but in this video I'm just showing you how to change the icon shape. So guys, let's head on. The device default is circular, so let's head on to square. Firstly, if we go to our notification bar, it will actually be square shaped, as you can see here. So let's try this. Let's go to see the apps. So guys, as you can see, most of them are already square shaped, as you can see guys. So let's head on and change it again to teardrop. Now let's go to the home screen. Guys, as you can see, this one looks like a teardrop, which is really cool. I think I prefer this. So let's head on again here to, let's see, square circle or squarical. I think that's better. So let's head on to the main screen. It didn't change. Maybe the phone is hanging. Okay guys, it actually changed to square circle. Okay, now I prefer this to any other one, which is really cool. I like this. So guys, let's head on to, I think, the last one. Let's head on to the last one, rounded rectangle. So let's check it out. So guys, as you can see, this is actually rounded rectangle, which is actually cool. So if you actually want this, I've shown you how to do it, and as you know, it only works on Nokia. Like I said, if it actually works on any other one, please notify me in the comments below. So guys, for those who are curious to know the font, okay, you know the way this one is, but let's change it a bit. So guys, as you can see, everything changed. The text of everything has changed. So let's put this back to device default and coming the headline back to device default. Now let's try this ancient color. Let's say green. I wonder how this will look. Okay, so guys, it's just the icon on top that will change. Okay, which is actually good, but just leave it on device default. So guys, I hope you really learned something from this video. If you didn't learn, like if you expected to learn more, or maybe this is not what you expected, please notify me in the comments below, so I'll make a video specifically for you. And guys, please smash that like button, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so as to get notifications of when I upload more videos. So guys, bye, and see you in the next video. Peace out.